Hi, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have or your problem on your YouTube app. You will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window here, and this is window, and you go down, you will click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you will just go down here to looking for YouTube app here, and this is window. We will just go down and we will click here on YouTube, then we come to next window here or app info. We will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and you just click here on storage, then we come to storage window. You click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your YouTube app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video. So see you.